Hi, I'm Dr. Sadineni, and today I would like to discuss with you some different steps involved in replacing a missing tooth with implants in our practice. When you come in for a consultation appointment, we take records of your teeth, including 3D scan of your teeth to make sure you have enough bone. And based on the 3D scans, and lab creates a guide based on my plan. When you come back for your implant placement appointment, I will make sure the guide fits very well for you, and then we place the implant to the guide. So placing the implant to the guide has several advantages, including very precise placement, minimal trauma to your gums, and also bone, and a very minimal discomfort after we place the implant for you. So after this appointment, we'll schedule you back in 4 to 6 weeks for making the crown with the support of the implant we placed. So if you have any questions, please call us for a consultation. We'll be happy to schedule you in. Thank you very much.